G'day guys. Out with the recalls, Jesus. This is a 2010 or 11 Golf. Quick bit about the seatbelt buckle. So obviously if it's going to start ringing when the belt sort of gets weight pulled on it, if the seatbelt chime's going to ring, you likely have a faulty buckle. So pull the 4 bolts out of the seat, unplug the wiring from there, be careful with it, those two, and unhook the seat release to slide it and lift that rail all the way up. And you will see the bolt for the seat belt right there. And the funny thing about it is it looks like it doesn't come out. So obviously you have to unclip this. Don't forget to put another tie through here. See, this is made to put another tie through here. You don't need to destroy it. Okay, now, the way the belt comes out, see, it looks like it'll never come out, but it does. It does come out, like that. Ah, right, sorry about that. The seat cover thing's there. So. So you don't really need to remove the seat from the vehicle, but you can if you think you're going to start hitting everything. Don't forget to lift the steering wheel up. Retract this all the way back to move the seat over this, and then release that lever. That lever. Slide that rail up. M8, M10, these, a ratchet, and a thin screwdriver will get you out of it with the lights. It's pretty basic. Hope that helps.